Today I'm going to show you why you should put this ball in your dryer, because surely you know, especially during the winter months, how much static electricity can be a part of your wardrobe. This easy hack will help to eliminate the static cleaning of your clothes and hopefully reduce hair days like these. Take a roll of aluminum foil and roll it out a few times. Rip it off and form a ball. Then place the ball in the dryer with your wet clothes. Depending on the size of your load, you may want to add more aluminum balls. Turn your dryer on your preferred setting, and once your clothes are dry, there is no static, because the foil balls discharge any static buildup in the clothes during the drying process. The balls can be reused and are a cheap replacement for dryer sheets. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy hacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!